What a wonderful world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you are interested in all sort of a genre, please do consider subscribe to my channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है समर बाथ एंड बॉडी एसेंशियल्स. समर्स में स्पेसिफिकली अपनी बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेटेड एंड इची हो जाती है. बहुत सारी जगह पे यू गेट पिंपल्स, बम्स एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम वी नीड few products which is under budget and we can definitely use it in our day-to-day life. If you're interested what those products are, let's get into the video. All the products which I am going to show you is under 500 rupees guys, so that's a plus. You can definitely buy them and you don't need to worry about the money you are spending. So the first product which I would like to share is shower gel. Summers में refreshing shower gel होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. That is why I'm recommending you this one. This is a scent DV's shower gel. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is in the fragrance lemon and basil, lime and basil. I really love this brand. This comes in 400 ml bottle. Sorry, it's a 500 ml bottle and you get this for 399. Most of the time you get it for buy one get one. So basically आपको 200 rupees में 500 ml product मिल रहा है, which is a very good डील आई बिलीव. ये बहुत बड़ा बॉटल आप देख सकते हो, काफ़ी बड़ा बॉटल है एंड इसको ख़त्म होने में आराम से 2 महीने जाते हैं. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी, आपको बहुत अच्छे टाइम तक लास्ट कर जाएगा ये प्रोडक्ट. इसका स्मेल डज लास्ट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. ये बहुत अच्छे से लैदर हो जाता है जैसे नॉर्मल शावर जेल्स होते हैं. ये बहुत comes with a different fragrance. So if you don't like the lime and basil fragrance, you get a lot of 6 to 7 fragrance. I do have used almost all of the fragrance. I have used recently their neem one. I love that one also in the summers, but this one is my absolute favorite in terms of summer. You can definitely check this out. This is a PETA certified product guys, so you don't need to worry about their ingredients or anything. Definitely grab this. After the shower gel guys, I would highly recommend you to use the body scrub. Body scrubs are somehow very underrated. You are supposed to use them at least twice a week. The one which I use currently is this one. This is from the brand McCafe. I really like this scrub. This smells like coffee. I don't know what they have put in. It literally smells like a Nescafe or like Starbucks का कॉफ़ी. somehow you are supposed to use it at least twice. That's it. थोड़ा सा अमाउंट लेना है आपको एंड पानी में थोड़ा सा मिक्स करो एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू rub it around your body area wherever you want to scrub it. I generally scrub it around my arms and my legs and that's it. I don't do a lot of scrubbing and please do check this out. After the body scrub, you do need a body moisturizer or a body lotion for your body, and the one which is very lightweight and at the same time it will give you the right amount of moisturization in terms of summer. One which I am using at the moment is from the brand Love Beauty and Planet Earth. I am in the variant lavender and argan oil. This is obviously from the lavender variant, but you do get 2 to 3 variants. I think rose one is available and the coconut one is also available. You can definitely try that out, but I did like this one. I have used almost till here, which says a lot. I have used mostly half of the product. उसके बाद मैं इसका रिव्यू दे रही हूँ. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है ये प्रोडक्ट. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आपको 400 ml की बहुत बड़ी बॉटल मिल जाती है. ये वाला पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड somehow always you get 35 to 40% ऑफ ऑन नाइका, which is good. एंड आप इसका बहुत अच्छे से पम्प पैकेजिंग में आता है. सो इट्स रियली गुड. ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत राइट अमाउंट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइज करेगा आपके बॉडी को. आपको डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना चाहिए. दिस इज द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट गाइस. समर्स में सबसे ज़्यादा इशू होता है स्टिंकिंग का. या दैट्स रियली ग्रोस आई नो, बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू यूज अ रोल ऑन इन योर अंडर आर्म्स. दैट इज वेरी एसेंशियल. बीट समर्स, बीट विंटर्स, बीट एनी सीजन. I feel like roll on is very important and very underrated somehow. Nobody uses it. I don't know why. Somebody is sitting next to you and that person is stinging. It really grosses me out somewhere. So for that you need to use a roll on. The one which I have been loving is from the brand Revlon. This is how it looks like. I'm in the variant aloe vera, but I believe there is a lot of different company who produces a roll-on, like Nivea है, Dove के roll-ons बहुत अच्छे हैं, but at the moment मुझे ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's very very refreshing. It is in the variant aloe vera, which calms my skin down, and I really like it. This is a bigger version, and you get this under 500 rupees, which is really cool. You're just supposed to use it after the bath, and that's it. You're not supposed to do a lot of times. It does stay a lot of lot of hours. It will help you to reduce the sticking process much more. So you should definitely use it, especially in summer. Part of this video is gonna be a face mist, guys. Face mist is something you need to keep in your purse, on your side table. You just need to split it literally anytime and anywhere, and you will feel refreshed. Your skin will calm down, and it will stop irritating you and bothering you. The one which I have loved over the years is from the brand Plum. This is how it looks like. This is from their green tea variant. I love the Plum green tea variant anyway, but इनका spritz बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा. You can see it's super fine. I can literally spray it anytime. I use it as a setting spray. I literally keep it with every trip of mine. I love this, and most important part is Plum is cruelty free, 100% vegan. It's really nice. You can see my face is glowing, and it is calming my skin so nicely. It comes with all the green tea variant, and I really like it. Green tea is anyway very soothing for your skin. You can definitely use it in some way or the other for your skincare. When it comes to summer specifically, I really love this product. I have gone through minimum 6 to 7 bottles of it. I'm not even lying. This is my newest one, which I specifically got for summers. I really like this one. You can definitely try this. Face mist is very personalized thing. You can use any sort of a face mist. You can use a rose water, you can use a lavender water, any sort of a water which will suit your skin. The one which I am very happy with is this one, but you can definitely buy any sort of a face mist, specifically rose water. If you're liking, you can definitely use it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like all my recommendations. Please like the video if you like all my recommendations. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Until I see you next time, bye guys.